and they do love the class. And I know that they are pursuing, especially those who are 8th graders, they're pursuing to go and get a better experience at the high school level. I told them, keep up with your art. It's another part of your knowledge. All of these kids, they when they sign up for the class, you can tell that their greatest passion is art. And we are so thankful to the Rain Forest program for allowing us to go and do this magnificent medallion.